Here's how you can fix Parsec error codes 6023 and 6024. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix Parsec error codes. So if you have it, I'm just going to show you the easiest way on how you can fix them. So the first one is just simply turning it off by just, closing it and checking your task manager. So checking your task manager is pretty simple. You just need to click on this task menu right over here. Press right click on that and you'll see task manager. Just go ahead and press on that, and right over here you might be able to see Parsec. So here we are. You simply need to end task here. Once you're done with it, it will just restart and your problem might be fixed. But if it's still showing, what you can do is just go to your firewall. So there are methods on how you can go to firewall by just simply going to your settings and searching up firewall over here, just like that, and it will bring you over here. But if you can't do that, just simply go ahead and press on Windows plus R, and here, as you can see, you just gotta copy control firewall.cpl. You just gotta put this in and then press OK, and right over here you will be able to see Parsec. So I haven't connected my Parsec to this, but once you've connected to this and it's showing this error, you'll be you'll be able to see it, and you can just disable it from right over here and you'll change it. But if you're in Windows 11, it's pretty simple. In Windows 11 you'll see Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security, but you'll not see this because I'm on Windows 10. But like in Windows 11, you'll be able to see inbound rules or something like that. You just gotta go ahead and press on inbound rules, and after that you'll see the Parsec app right over here, and then you just need to disable it from there. So once you're done with all that, and if it's still not fixing, there's one final fix you can do for it, and it's just using a VPN, and the errors will go. So yeah, you just gotta use Surfshark VPN, and here, as you can see, their pricing is actually good, and you can just get it from my link as well. Just press on the link on the description and you'll be able to get it, and just get your choice of plan and you're good to go. You'll be seeing no errors. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can fix Parsec error codes. So I hope this video really helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.